This conference will now be recorded.
So I'll just give you just about a small brief about journal voucher, and we'll just do some very few questions because going forward we'll again be coming to this journal voucher, and we'll do more vouchers on that at that time. Like we did for payment and contra, right? We'll not be doing it like that. Just wait for 2 3 minutes more. Very less students. Okay. Now, as in contra voucher, can anyone tell me what you did in contra voucher?
We wrote entries which were either a deposit or withdrawal or transfer of cash.
Okay. So bank related transactions were done in contra vouchers. Yes. Payment voucher. Sai Puja. I've never heard you talk. Payment voucher. Kirtana. Gayatri.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
In payment voucher, we have mentioned amount paid, date of payment, and payment method. And that's it.
Basically, what kind of transaction we did? All the payment transactions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Payment related, that is whatever you need to pay, those kind of transactions we did in payment voucher.
Yes, ma'am.
And receipt, Monica,
Yes, ma'am.
receipt
Ma'am, in
receipt
receipt, we enter all the received from business and all of those transactions, ma'am. Whatever we receive, we record it
correct.
in this voucher.
Yeah, so all the receivables were payables in payment, receivables in receipt voucher.
Should
Now
I give an example?
journal voucher, no, yeah, just understood, I just want to interact, that's all.
Like all your incomes, whatever you get, ma'am, like your sales of shares, all of those things.
Yeah. So whatever we could not record in contra, receipt and payment, we will be recording that in journal voucher. I repeat, the transactions which will not be able to record in other vouchers, we record them in journal vouchers, like your appreciations, any all your adjustment. We call journal voucher as an adjustment voucher. So all the your appreciations, depreciations. So those kind of any kind of adjustment vouchers will be done in journal voucher. You can see my screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So please take down F7 and referred as adjustment voucher. So here cash bank is not there because if it is cash bank, you can put them in other, no? Correct. So only those adjustments which will not be applicable in other vouchers. We put them here. Write down this syntax. Debtor any ledgers, creditor any ledgers. Write down these two questions.
Can you show the previous slide, the definition slide?
This one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, done with this, everyone? Take down these questions, but basically we will, for now we'll do appreciation and depreciation. Then at the end I'll give you some time to do this. Now after you are done, I want you to solve these first two questions um, and that first two questions of the other one, 50,000 land and building, and this is the, these two questions and these two questions. I want you to solve using this syntax. Using this syntax, just I want you to write which ledger, debtor, which ledger, amount, creditor, which ledger, amount. That's all. Nothing, no, nothing else to be done. Only this. Using this syntax, I want you to solve these four questions and send a photo. Once sent, put a thumbs up. Sorry. One
Excuse
second.
me, ma'am. Please, can you repeat it, ma'am?
First two questions. That is these two questions. Okay, these two questions. Here, depreciation, appreciation. Only these four questions. I want you to solve them manually in this syntax, that is debtor, creditor, which ledger amount, that's all. Don't give anything else, no narration, not like lines and all like journal entry. Just this part for four questions. I need to send the photo now. One second, one second. Did you get? You should do it fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, can you show the question, ma'am? It's not seen on the screen.
Yeah, one second, one second. You do the other two, 1 second. Excuse me. Yes, you can see.
Yes, ma'am. Hmm. You sent a photo. I did not receive. Monica, Aishwarya, and all. And class, don't do it PDF and do this and send. Just take a picture and send. That's enough. It's difficult for me. Downloads every time. Should understand. So all 40 of you. Okay. Just take a picture next time on it.
Did you send in the group, Monica, Aishwarya?
About the assignment, ma'am.
Yeah, no, no. Now the four questions I asked you to take a picture and put it in the group.
That one I'm still doing, ma'am. Sorry, that hand I did not see. Suddenly I clicked on it, ma'am.
Okay, and what about Aishwarya? I have a very bad connection. Do it fast, class. Okay, so um, how many of you done? Fast, fast, fast. Okay, anyone can tell it how to solve it? What does the first question say? It says depreciate furniture by 2% whose book value is 20,000. That means you need to depreciate the amount of the furniture by 2%. At 7, you come under journal voucher. Now, my question is 2% of 2% of 20,000. 2% of 20,000. How much is 2% of 20,000? Hmm. How much is 2% of 20,000?
400, ma'am.
400 rupees. So you are not supposed to do your entries as in you do. How do you usually do a depreciation journal? You deduct depreciation 400 and take 19,600 and then tally it to 20,000, right? But here my furniture already have 20,000 rupees. Okay, I repeat, in my furniture ledger there is 20,000 rupees when we have purchased that. So the furniture is already worth 20,000 rupees. I am supposed to depreciate it only by 400. So my amount value here will be only for 400. The amount will be only for 400. I am not worrying about 19,600. That is because automatically it will get deducted in the ledger. Okay, so when I click, so from furniture it is depreciating, correct? That means from furniture it is going. So where is that 400 going? To depreciation account. So there
Depreciation.
are depreciation account, depreciation account 400, enter. Here when I give furnitures 400, can you see here my furniture value was 9,000 rupees, sorry, 8,800 rupees. So automatically here 400 gets deducted. So enter, give the narration, name furniture depreciate. Okay, is this clear with everyone? Here automatically it will get deducted. You don't have to deduct entirely. You don't have to value them, credit, debit, and show in everything. You just have to have the depreciation amount. Same way in appreciation, we will debtor the appreciation. Yeah, debtor the debtor the this, credit the appreciation. So from appreciation account, the amount goes to land and building. So that's how you will be adding them into that particular ledgers. Ma'am, how do we see how much is there in that particular ledger? So I will show you again appreciation. Go to reports, go to account books, ledger. Now don't ask me, ma'am, how did you go to
Excuse me,
steps? I
ma'am.
will tell you again. Tell me.
Does depreciation come under indirect expense?
Then what does it come under? You should tell me.
Indirect expense only.
Also put that only. Yeah. What is the confusion? Hmm.
Nothing, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So you go under depreciation account, enters here, debit 400. Same way I go to furniture account and see here, first we did the receipt of 8,000, then we did journal entry 400. Why is it showing 8,400? Okay, both is credit only. So we did not receive anything. You might have class. You have this purchase furniture, no? So you will have this in your this. I did not do all the vouchers, I believe. So you will have this purchase furnitures. Okay. So I repeat the steps again. This is the gateway of Tally. You go to display more reports. You go to account books. Under that you have ledgers. You go to ledgers. Then you go to furniture depreciation, whatever, any particular ledger, you can see all the ledgers. Remember initial classes I told you, like in bookkeeping, you had to go to each ledger, look for that particular ledger, search that ledger, and then see which month what has happened and all. It's very easy in that. So this is what it is. See, we have not created any of these reports, right? We have only done the draw vouchers. So automatically all these reports are highlighted. These reports are there. That is what is the Tally's advantage. Okay. Anyone has this doubt with the opening of the reports? Everyone got it? Thumbs up. But all 31. Okay. Um, then, yeah, I'll do it again. Rakshita, please at the end of the class, remind me to talk to you. Okay, I'll forget.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
show you. Go to Gateway of Tally. Under that, you go to Display More Reports. Under that, you go to Account Books. Under that, you go to Ledgers. Enter in the ledger, any ledger you want, you can use. Now do the next journal entry, that is the appreciation. Appreciation of, what is the question? Appreciation, land and building, 3%. How much is 3% of 50,000? Hmm.
1,500, ma'am.
Yeah. So from there, it is going to land and building. So data will be land and building. Right? Appreciation.
Ma'am, the appreciation would come under which head, ma'am?
You tell me. It's there in the examples I given you. Search.
Will come under indirect income?
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Now please do the 4 entries, everyone. Give you 5 minutes and we'll go to the next topic. Once done, please. And I want someone to show your screen. Who will do that? Come on, please nominate yourselves. Yourself. Because I call people's name and they don't answer me. So, Vaishnav, you'll do?
Ma'am, actually, I have been connected through phone and I'm doing on laptop now. So I don't think I can share the screen.
Okay. Hannah? Urfa?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll share your screen window.
Ma'am, I'm actually outside traveling, so I'm not going to show my
Okay.
screen today.
Okay. Manoprabha. Trupti. Trupti.
Ma'am, connected to the phone, ma'am.
Okay. Usha. Come on, guys. Now you tell me. Any one of you. Fast. You know I don't prompt you when you're doing or don't tell you do that, do this. Just have to do your whatever you're doing there, you do in front of me. That's all. Who? Shreya, Vidyashri.
Ma'am, I have, yes, ma'am, I will do.
Start.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
No, not at. Try sharing again.
Ma'am, for the question, uh, issued a bill of rupees 10,000 to Bharat investors for consultancy
No,
services
no, don't
provided
do
correctly.
those. Only do four. We'll come to that
Okay.
later.
Okay, ma'am.
Do only these four. Two appreciation, two depreciations. That's all. Once
Done,
done,
ma'am.
put up your hands. We're going for the next topic. Yeah, now we can see your screen.
Ma'am, do I show another entry?
Sorry? Yeah. Okay. Good. You can close. So done, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this I'm not telling we've finished, but part of basic account is over. Okay. Now, with that account, we'll be doing inventory. Inventory is the stock. So, anything um, you buy to sell in a company is your stock, is your inventory. Now, you might have seen these small petty shops, okay? I mean petty shops, small and big. Now, in those shops also, you whether I'm talking about very small shops, this pawn shop and even with those kind of small shops, they keep few chocolates in front. And if that is done, they have something more to fill that box, right? So in that thing, wherever they keep their stock, where they have kept is their place of their keeping the stock. So that is your go downs, your um, storage unit. So it is not compulsory. It must be a hall or it must be a floor or it must be a particular go down type. No, go down is where you keep your stock. So here, even though it is a small shop, there is no place. Where you keep your stock is your go down. So you have 200 chocolates more with you, so that is your stock. Because whatever item you need to sell is your stock. Okay, it's your inventory. So here we need a place to keep. That is where you. It is not a place. Basically, it is something we are showing that it is there here. Whether it is in the same cupboard, whether it is in the same room, whether it is in two different rooms, we don't know. We are not bothered. We want that this stock is there with us in this place. Okay, so that for that we need to have a go downs. So first thing we'll be creating our locations, that is our go downs, place where you need to keep your stock. Please click down this. Now we will create. You can go to master inventory master. You can see here go downs. Click on go down to create new and create. You can give any like how whatever names you want to. I'll give like Bangalore 1, Bangalore 2, Control A. See, you can see something here called primary. Now I do Bangalore 2. See, here you can see one something called main location. So by default, you will have one go down called main location in the tally. Why? Because where there must be some place to keep, right? This is what you have created. There, if you're keeping it nowhere and you're keeping it where you're selling, then that is your main location. That is your stock. Sorry, that is your go down. So in case, when are you going to use this under option? Is for example, you have four go downs in one building. Okay. At that time, what you can do is first floor Bangalore 1, second floor Bangalore 1, third floor Bangalore 1, fourth floor Bangalore 1. First option, first example. Or in Bangalore is one of your main godowns, and under that you will have sub different nuggets godowns. So that will be as under. But I prefer not to use this option because again under one you will have one, so it's not required. You have first floor, second floor, you can select like which, but it is not required. You can use primary only. Same way Bangalore 2, 3. That you must do 5 go downs. Everyone do 5 go downs. Understood how to do go downs? Thumbs up.
Ma'am, please can you repeat once again, ma'am?
Okay. Go to gateway of tally, create, go to go downs, enter, refresh name. Here, if you want many go downs under one go down, then you will use this option, or else keep this primary only and save. Did you get it?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Please everyone do 5 go downs.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
how do we check the go downs we created? How do we check the
Same
go
way.
downs we
You go to
created?
the altar there is one showing. Same way you have go downs here.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Check all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. I think most of you are done. So next topic is we
Ma'am,
have,
there isn't any go down option for me. The last one I have is called location.
yeah, location is the same. You can do that. It is the
Okay.
same. Okay, then we'll just give him 2 3 minutes. Others also finish by the time who's not finished. Now next is we have created the godowns, right? Now we have to keep the stock. Now if I go to a shop and tell him, give me rice, give me dal, what does the shopkeeper ask? Hmm.
Ma'am, can you please repeat it, ma'am?
I go to a shop, ask the shopkeeper, give
Your
me
voice
rice,
is
give me
low,
dal.
ma'am.
Still, now, why is it low? You can hear me now?
It's
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
ma'am, now.
Yeah. I am telling I'm going to a shop, asking him to give me rice and dal. What is the shopkeeper asking me?
How many
How
kgs,
many?
ma'am?
Correct? So he's going to tell me how much. So I tell him, give me 1 liter of dal and 2 kilometers of rice. Yes? How far is your college from school? Sorry, college to home. It is 4 liters. Yes? Hmm. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What I told you heard, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, no,
that's
ma'am.
wrong.
Ma'am, you
What did
said
I?
we go to
Ma'am,
a
you said,
shop and
ma'am, have you said 4 meters or 4 liters?
I said 4 liters. Okay, take it
yes,
4
ma'am, that
kg.
is wrong.
So there is a different unit of measurement for different measures, right? I can't say my house is 4 kgs far from my college, right? So I have kilometers, I have me. Usually we mention them in kilometers. When you take milk, you have liters, same way kg. So there are different units of measurement. Similarly, we are going to create all these units of measurement in Tally. Okay, so we are supposed to create the units of measurements for purchasing or selling of stock. So there are few different steps what we need to create. As before we creating vouchers, we had few more things. So similarly here, so after go down is the units of measurement. We are going to create units of measurement next. Okay. So see what would happen before is now example numbers. Okay. Gayatri might write numbers. David might write only NOS, and Stuti might write as NUMB, and Rachita might write as NUM. Okay, so there are all different varieties happen. So when this when you have to file your stock with the GST or this, there are a lot of difference in the units of measurement. So the GST has created a list that this units must be mentioned. For example, for numbers it is NOS only, okay, LTRs only. So that's how the list of units of measurement is being created and it is adapted by Tally. So you have to create. It doesn't mean you it stops you from creating units of measurement. No, you will create the units of measurement under numbers, under so and so, under liters, under boxes. So that's how you will be creating the units of measurement name and the formal name. I will just show you. Go to create. Go to create. First, data is. So there are two types of units of measurement. Simple units of measurement means only one. Compound means, for example, now gold. You buy in kilos and sell in grams. So in that time you can, or now here boxes is there. One box is 12 pieces. You sell them in piece wise, one, two, three. But then when you purchase, you have to purchase in bulk. At that time we can create these kind of compound units of measurements. Okay, take down this. So how you do? Let this be simple. Oh, sorry. Before you do it, just take a picture of this everyone, and one of you please send it to the group. Okay. Take this. Last 12 are not visible. Take this now. Okay. Now Why I told you to take that is, now when you go to create, you go to units measurement. Here you give kg. See, as it is there in that particular units, you have to give that only. Okay, kg, kilograms. Enter, enter. Same way meters. Box, boxes. Okay, like this, you should create all the units of measurement in that list. And then go to alter, enter, go to units, enter, take a picture and send it in the group. I repeat, go to create, go to units of measurement, give here as the symbol, formal names, save, enter, all simple entry only, okay? Enter, go to alter, go to units, take a picture and send it in. And do that, then we'll do this compounding.